What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. In today's video we are doing a gaming test with a Huawei P40 Pro. Now just in case you're wondering, this phone is using the Kirin 990 and on the Antutu benchmark gets a score of about 462,000 as you can probably see there. So for today's video we have PUBG, we have Call of Duty Mobile, Asphalt 9, GTA San Andreas and World of Tanks. And I guess I'm gonna be playing about 2 minutes of each game. I'm gonna make cuts so you can see the most exciting parts of the game. So I think we should start with Call of Duty.
Tied for the lead. Reloading. We've taken the lead. Reloading. Cover me. Tied for the lead. Hunter killer drone ready. Reloading. Taken the lead. Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Advised, hostile predator missile inbound. It's too close. We've taken the lead. Reloading. Cover me. Down. Changing mag. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Reloading. Friendly predator missile inbound. Hunter killer drone deployed. Predator missile inbound.
And as you've seen for yourself, Call of Duty does work extremely well. So I guess next we're gonna play some PUBG and after that we'll move on to some Asphalt 9 I guess. So let's see how PUBG works. And just as I was expecting, PUBG works extremely good as well. I mean, when you get a score of, an Antutu score of over 400,000, you do expect that pretty much every single game will work good. So I guess we'll exit this. And next, I guess we can play Asphalt 9. So let's open this one. And let's see how this one goes. Well, that was a very short one, but as you've seen for yourself, Asphalt 9 does work extremely good as well. So we'll exit that. I guess I should close those apps running in the background because I still have PUBG running in the background. So I guess next we'll go to... let's try World of Tanks. And as you can probably see, this game works really good as well, but I'm just not the best player for this game. And the last game that we're gonna try is gonna be GTA San Andreas.
On my own. I've been sober for over a year. This guy's mine. Give me that. Let me at the bastard. You mad dogging me, man. This guy jerked me around for the last. This ain't gonna be pretty. Don't take this personal, but you get this at. Ah, man.
They call 911.
Get the evil trap out the way, man.
So yeah, as you've seen for yourself, the GTA works great as well. So I don't think there will be any games that you aren't gonna be able to play on the Huawei P40 Pro. Right guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, don't forget to press that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.